What up, guys? Your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters.
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Alright, today we got another DIY for you, brought to you by the homie BKD Exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Brandon King, we'll bring you another one, you know what I'm saying? Some people might like this, some people might not, but I like it, you know what I'm saying? What we're going to be doing today, quick install. It's not going to be that long, it's going to be a quick one. What we're going to be doing, installing the light decals. Light decals? Yeah, that's what we're going to call them, light decals. You can get these on bkdexhaust.com. You know what I'm saying? You can get your King Jaffe Joe 413 merch at kingjaffejoe413.com. Make sure y'all hit that up. Get yourself some merch. We got a bunch of stuff over there. Alright? So quick install. It's not going to be a long one. Alright? What we did is we took some rubbing alcohol and we cleaned the surface of the lights. Got them lined nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? I still got little chips in there from rocks and stuff. So this actually might help protect from like chips and stuff like that. So what I did was I took the light decal. I figured out which one I need to put on here. Lined it up nice. You want to line it up nice, make sure everything is so you get the right one to the right size. See how everything lines up before you apply it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta remember you got these little fins down here, so you want to make sure you're above those. Line it up, side to side. Looks like it fits nicely. So when you're looking at your looking at your decal, it's going to be straight on the top. It's going to have a little curve on the bottom. That's going to be how you decide which side which goes to. It kind of looks like you might be able to put it like that. That's wrong. Curve on the bottom, flat top on the top. All right. So after you clean your, we use rubbing alcohol to clean this. Microfiber cloth. Cleaned it out. You want to use a lint-free cloth to make sure you got no lint on there and stuff. You don't want to use Windex or any kind of cleaning supplies to clean this. You just want to use regular soap and water or rubbing alcohol. It says don't use Windex or nothing like that on the instructions. So quick apply. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna peel the top of this off. Actually, I'm gonna peel the side that goes towards the inside because it tucks behind this little plastic just a little bit. So we're gonna peel that off and try to stick that in there and get it lined up before we peel the rest of it off. Gonna peel it off a little bit like so. Then we're gonna try to get her lined up and then peel the rest of it off after we get her lined up. Actually, you can just hold this in right here. Little in right there. We're going straight across the top like so. So that's not lined up right. We're going to peel it back off a little bit. Let's get it lined up. So this little tab here, we're going to cut this off after. Open up our front. Take our front off. Just going to get her lined up. You got a little tab here to hold it. There's a little one here to hold it too, if you want to take the paper all the way off. But I like to do it like so I can stick one side, get her lined up right, and then peel the rest off. I want to line her up a little bit more, so I'm looking at this. It looks like it can go up. You gotta remember this has a lot of holes in it, so you gotta be delicate with it because it might rip. Sheesh. It's not super easy to get on lined up. There is a curve on it. There we go. That looks pretty good to me. So I lined up the top across, trying to get it lined up as good as possible. You gotta remember there's a curve in there, so it's a little difficult. And we're just gonna smooth her down. Smooth her down. All the way to the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do is, now that I got it lined up, I'm just gonna cut this little end off here with a razor. You can cut this side off too here if you want. You don't have to, because the panel does cover it up. I got my little razor. Straight down like that. Peel that side off. There we go, we got one done, and we'll just show you the other one real quick. Throw the other one in the same way. All right, we got the flat side at the top, curved side at the bottom again. All right, so what I'm gonna do this time, I'm just gonna peel the whole thing off and try it like that, because basically that's what I did. So we're gonna try to get her lined up nice and straight. I like to get the top lined up first. Move it across the top. I'm just gonna smooth it down. Going across like so. Down. Then we're gonna take our razor and cut. Now we're gonna take our razor and we're just gonna cut the end off right here again. So, peel this little piece off here. Might be Manny. All right, guys. So, quick install. Yeah, I'm about to. All right, guys. So, quick install for the monster lights. He sells a bunch of different ones. These are the ones I actually picked. Let me show you. My man A. He's gonna be installing these on A's bike right here. He got the red ones. So, you know what I'm saying? They got all different colors and all different styles you can get from him. And obviously your light shines right through it like a regular light when your lights are on. So, you guys need some of these, you know where you can get yourself some of these. You can get some of these at BKD Exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my man Brandon King for sending these over to us to do an install video. Show you guys what's, you know what I'm saying? All the hottest products coming up from stuttering and stuff. All the hottest products coming from BKDexhaust.com. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you get yourself some if you like them. If you don't like, you know what I'm saying? If you do like them, you can put them on. You always can peel them off. It's just a sticker. KingJoffreyJoe413.com. Check you in the next one, guys. Peace.